Hello students, in today's session we are going to do change in narration or speech. So let's start with rule number 2. If the reporting verb is in past tense, all present tenses of the reported speech change into the corresponding past tense. যদি বাক্যটোত reporting verb to past tense থাকে তেন্তে reported speechৰ present tense বোৰ এনেদৰে past tense লৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন হ'ব. See here, all present tenses in direct speech will change into past tense in indirect speech. Is will change to was. Am will change to was. Write will change to wrote. Play will change to played. Have, has will change to had. Present continuous changes into past continuous. That's why is singing, was singing hoi jabo in indirect speech. Am writing will change to was writing. Are writing will change to were writing. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Has done will change to had done. Have done will change to had done. Have written will change to had written. Present perfect continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Has been raining will change to had been raining. Have been playing will change to had been playing. Modal verbs can will change to could, will change to would, shall will change to should, and may will change to might. Let's see some examples. Udaharon ketaman sailo ha. Ravi said to Rita, Maya writes a letter. A baikyotu direct speech ot ase. Aru tomaloke hodai mon koriba inverted comma বা উদ্ধ কমাৰ ভিতৰত থকা বাক্যটোক আমি ৰিপৰ্টেড স্পীচ বুলি কওঁ. ৰিপৰ্টেড বাক্য. আৰু এই ৰিপৰ্টেড বাক্যটোত এটা ৰিপৰ্টেড ভাৰ্ব আছে. ওকে, উদ্ধ কমাৰ ভিতৰত থকা বাক্যটোক আমি ৰিপৰ্টেড স্পীচ বুলি কওঁ. ওকে, ইয়াতে indirect speech ot ami enedore likhibo lagibo. Ravi told Rita that Maya wrote a letter. Yet said hoise reporting verb in past tense ar logot preposition to ase. He karone ami ki likhilu said to holoni ami told likhilu. Told is also a past tense verb. Tar pisot ami yat Rita likhilu comma inverted comma uthai that likhilu. Then comes Maya writes. Etu reported verb to ami yat wrote buli likhilu. Okay, writes will change to wrote. Yat present tense verb to past tense loi change kora hol. Kyo kora hol? Karon reporting verb to past tense ot ase. He karone ami yat present tense to past tense loi poriborton korilu. Ravi told Rita that Maya wrote a letter. Number 2, he said Rita is a good girl. এতিয়া আমি indirect speech লৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন কৰিম. ইয়াত কি কৰিব লাগিব চোৱা. He said. Said হৈছে reporting verb. আৰু এই reporting verb টো ইয়াত একেই থাকিব. Okay? Inverted comma, উদ্ধ কমা আৰু কমা উঠাই আমি conjunction that লিখিছো. Rita was. Yet is to was kori dia hoise kyo reporting verb to jehetu past tense ot ase he karone. He said that Rita was a good girl. Yet is to was kori dia hol. Okay, change of tense. Present tense bur past tense loi poriborton hobo. He said I am hungry. He said reporting verb ekei thakibo. That ইনভাৰ্টেড কমা উঠাই আমি কি লিখিলোঁ ডেট আৰু ইয়াত প্ৰনাউন ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্চন প্ৰনাউন আইটো হি হৈ গ'ল ইয়াত চাবা ৰুলৰ মতে ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্চন প্ৰনাউন চেঞ্জ according to the subject okay ইয়াত আমি কি লিখিম I will change to he I হলনি আমি he লিখিব লাগিব যেহেতু সাবজেক্টত he মেনশন কৰা আছে am to কি হৈ যাব was okay present tense to past tense লৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন হ'ব was hungry am hungry to কি হৈ যাব was hungry he said that he was hungry Ravi said I play cricket indirect speech ot kenekoi likhim Ravi said that he played cricket yat inverted comma uthai ami that likhilu reporting verb ekei thakibo aru pronoun first person pronoun I will change to he I yat change hobo according to the subject or jehetu eta lora kotha koise Ravir kotha koise ami he pronoun ব্যবহাৰ কৰিলো pronoun I will change to he play present tense ত আছিল আৰু indirect speech ত past tense লৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন হ'ব ওকে যেহেতু reporting verb to past tense ত দিয়া আছে Ravi said that he played cricket